Hello guys, welcome back to Indoor Drama channel. So guys, from recent information, the chances of COVID-19 airborne got increased after the reconsideration experiments with the virus by World Health Organization. In my past video, I mentioned about the group of more than 200 scientists appealed to World Health Organization and all the national and international authorities to recheck the characteristics of coronavirus, whether it's airborne or not. Previously, World Health Organization considered their statement but not that much serious about it. But recently, World Health Organization admitting that coronavirus can be airborne disease. And recently, World Health Organization is going to set new guidelines. What is that guidelines? We'll see in this video. Don't skip this video, get the information fully. Let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. On Thursday, 9th July, World Health Organization accept the existence of the airborne spread of this novel coronavirus, but also stretch the detailed evidence in terms of research was strictly required for this direction. After this updated scientific brief on Thursday, World Health Organization released new guidelines regarding airborne disease. World Health Organization admitting that in indoor crowded space and in halls, there is a possibility of spreading this virus from infected person through aerosol transmission. Aerosols are water droplets whose diameter lesser than 5 micron. Now WHO is concerning about indoor crowded places, restaurants and fitness classes. But now also World Health Organization is not fully confirmed about the air spread of this virus. WHO briefly mentioned that coronavirus can spread through close contact with infected person. This will happen through contaminated surfaces, through saliva, respiratory secretions, that is, droplets releases from the infected person when cough, sneezes, speaks, etc. Any kind of activities related to this cause of infection from one affected person to a healthy person. And also, World Health Organization stated that this virus may exist in some body where they don't have any symptoms. But from that body, COVID-19 can easily spread to other bodies, very easily. Previously, World Health Organization not admitting about asymptomatic conditions, where there is no symptoms but virus may exist in your body. But right now, World Health Organization admitting it. Dr. Swaminathan, World Health Organization Chief Scientist, explains over COVID-19 airborne evidence. She said that airborne transmission may happen, but in some special situation. We don't say that COVID-19 is not a airborne disease. It can be transmitted by air, but up to 1 to 2 meter distance only. If COVID-19 was truly airborne like measles, in that sense, COVID-19 is everywhere and we would have been infected from this virus. But right now, we should consider the statement of the scientist and we increase the surveillance over COVID-19. With this, I want to add something. More than half of the year finished, we are still living with this virus. More than 5 lakh people died. 1 crore 23 lakhs cases globally. But still, there is a gap. That is the gap of development in medical science. There is a gap of highly advanced equipment and a gap of understanding. Initiatives are very important. Consideration is very important right now to win this battle against COVID-19. What do you think about this? Please write in the comment section. For getting more updates in future, subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Keep supporting me. Thank you for love and support. See you in the next video.